Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the OBSBOT Me. This is an AI-powered phone mount for your smartphone. And it doesn't matter if it's Android, iOS, it doesn't actually even matter what application you're using. Social media app, it works with anything. Front-facing cameras, back-facing cameras, because it literally all it's doing is focusing on you because it's using that AI camera that's built in. All you do to activate it, just raise your hand, give it a second to activate. The ring turns blue, and once that's active, it actually starts tracking you. It's almost like having a camera person with you that can go very, very far. And then, of course, when you're done with it, you can actually turn around. I'm using Bluetooth headphones right now with the S21 Ultra so that we can do this audio and I don't have to shout at the camera, but the overall experience, I think you guys get what it means. This has so much potential. This is TK and this is the OBSBOT Me. Let's check it out. So OBSBOT provides a package that right now is on Kickstarter and it's about $79. So that's the gist of it. If you guys are interested in that, there'll be a link for that in the description below. There's the package here. It includes a case. It includes the OBSBOT Me, the unit itself, charges via USB-C with the built-in battery, does have a built-in or a small mount that you're able to use. And of course, you're able to mount it on any tripod the way I have it right now. But the benefit of this is the ability of actually doing all of this. And again, I'm walking, talking, doing all of this. Activating it and deactivating is also very simple. All I have to do is, once I'm in a good position where I know it can see me, raise my hand as if I'm saying hello, give it a second, and it changes between two different modes. There's the follow me mode, which was we were in just a second ago. And of course, now I can actually activate it again, but otherwise I can technically walk off camera and that stays in the same focal place. But if I activate it again by just doing the handshake on it, or give it a second to actually make sure that it sees me, and now the ring turns blue and it actually starts tracking. Literally, I can walk around, I can do really quick movements. It doesn't actually matter. It focuses, and it also knows to focus on whatever subject it locks on first. So if somebody walks in front of me, it's not going to lock on their face and move with it. It's going to stay with me. Very, very nice. But the actual package here includes the OBSBOT Me itself. It includes a small tripod that you can mount on the bottom of it. They also include an adjustment coin and, of course, a USB-C to USB-A to charge the battery that's built into this. The motor that we have here is a brushless motor, very, very quiet. And the real benefit of this is it's really, really smooth. So essentially, as I'm walking with you guys, this actually works very nicely and overall experience is very good. Now, the really nice thing, again, works with both Android, iOS, and again, front-facing, back-facing cameras. Now, I will always recommend you guys using the back-facing cameras because that's literally the best camera system that you always have on your smartphone. If you set it up and you align it correctly while you're standing behind the OBSBOT Me, and you set it up where the line of sight for the camera and the AI camera is the same, you absolutely don't even have to see what's going on. So you could just activate it. And again, if you have a Samsung device, you could turn on Bluetooth audio, be like me, and literally just be able to walk away as far as you'd like. And of course, audio stays focused, stays sharp. And I can do a lot of things. Like I could be doing things here and walking around and everything stays focused on me. So that's the benefit. And as you saw, it did a great, great job. So the OBSBOT Me is available on Kickstarter right now. There'll be a link in the description below. I want to say thank you very much to the OBSBOT team for reaching out and of course collaborating with us here for this video review. So I think it's a great accessory for anybody that's in social media that goes outside and wants to be kind of like a one-person crew, because it does literally mimic a camera person on the other end. The back sensors on any smartphone will always be the best experience, so I feel like this is going to be the best experience regardless. And again, just use your imagination, and this just augments that experience. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support. I'll see you in the next video.